ole tuna hian hei tuna kan hmu pakhat lai motor ding hi container pakhat ania auto pickup oil siam tu te hianin hei barrel tam tak tian a chi sang quality sang anda ani.
Why did you choose us? Means why Ulster?
Yeah, all the people who have vehicles, we need a good engine oil, but a reasonable price.
Ole tuna hian Delhi atanga kilometer som ni borvel la Bahadurgarh Haryana kanom meka ela hianin auto pickup petrochem private limited ho in motor oil chi sang le industrial oil chi sang rin tlak tak genuine taka an siam kan en ho don ani tuna hian hei tuna kan thir heavy building lian pui hi unplanned factory ania achunga kan lu tanga kan en ho don ani ole kan soi tong khan helai hi oil siam na mun pui ani hei hi tuna kan hmu pakhat lai motor ding hi container pakhat ania heng tiang container hian helai an factory tang hian him takin Mizoram bungrua miron phur then sak thayadi keini hi an oil la lut tu tur kan nia tuna hianin kan en fia don ani helai hian nge ni anti kan en le don ani helai kan khol mu te hi molding machine antia he auto pickup oil siam tu te hianin an mani oil man atana an man tur bur man turi an manin ai siam chopani hian helai hian sticker an bel lenga moi tak hey helai hian hey adum te po arong chi sang helai hi chuan an tunai chuan kan bu thei lowa hian helai hian an manin ai siam chopa kan thiat ren tur chu Delhi kho chunga hian oil company tam takan oma third party manufacturing company tam mani anni hi chu genuine company an dia hey an manin an bur man tur ain to del veka an siam chua kani hey hi bur chi sang liter khat thling lo tanga heta bur lian tak khengin an siam thei ni la hian hey an na thok lai kanan ena hey tiang hian an siam chuak teu ni hey an sang chung me mani ti kha kan soi tel du ni ole helai hi kan huang hianin grease an siam na mun anila hey barrel tam tak tian a chi sang quality sang anda ani hey hi tuna hianin hey hi quality pakhathi kan en sin don ani hey grease hey hi mo chu quality sang a tha tak hetia hantia afan dal lang chi te po kha om vek maya maro chu ka mai lowa helaya hian chu hey grease po hi an siam na sakop maya chi sang barrel azatel te meu laian tian an hung ani nung lama te chu tiang chuan an ni hi an chang tlung em ani hey grease po an siam na sa ole helaya hianin khol pakhat kan en le don ani tuna kan en tur hi hei filling machine ania hei nozzle paruk a oma arwalin buruk athun theya ta hian minute khat chungin nozzle pakhat a hian liter somli a in thun thei ani yang chuan automatic fully automatic ania kan han soitel ram du chu Delhi hian oil company engemaw zat oma hian third party manufacturer an om kan ti kha tiang ho kha chuan he tiang khol poi an manglowa manualin helaya bura kai manina hetia thil kan khit luang hian an thia manualin chu tiang te chuan an thia an ni he chu fully automatic in an set up hei hi an chang thung ma genuine company an ni ti la hian a hian an product po a genuine ani helai mi hi capping an thia helai bo ma hianin hetiang a chin ho hi an da khoma chu automatic in helai hian aron in da tha hi ti hian ama in aron in chin ta ni chuan helai hianin hian aron nor nget atai ta ni helai hian a chin nget ta ni tiang chuan Hela hianin ni kan liang a sil le ta ni helai machine hian helai hian ta tang ron kal phei zela tiang khan helai an call hi I achang kang mani helai an ni chu an chang thung kan ti to kha le lai hi thir liang hei parcel an ready sa hi om treu maya ti hian helai po an thir phei la ti khan so ta tam lu tuk a omani hei hi thon chua mai tur an ready to ania helai a pona hian container in along ha ka tiang chuan helai hian I kalna han da ola ni mai helai hian a tiang ur mai tian ni tin liter sang tel te meu helai hian an siam chua ka an thon chua ka ni kha ti khami tlem te kha tuna video kan an thir thei chuan ya adang oil chungchang thuwa kan hria tur tam tak video danga kan langai tha anga Mizoram oil chia alun nam ma apoi mo ber chu kan oil siam tu te hriat chian ani reliable company an niam an genuine em ti kha kan hriat anga ya tuna kan thirang khan auto pickup ho chu genuine company an nia tuna hian Mizoram aron lut ve don ani chu in lo ngai venanga in lo thiranga in lo mang theu don ya.
Well, very welcome, sir. Yeah, how's you?
Fine.
Here our first question, sir. Why do you like our company or plant as well?
Oh, it's really great. It's wonderful plant, more than I imagined before. It's very great.
Well, thank you so much for answering. Like, here is the second question. Why did you choose us? Means why us, sir?
Yeah, all the people who have vehicles, we need a good engine oil, but a reasonable price.
Yeah.
That's why I choose it.
Well, very thank you again. So, here is our last question. How you are going to connect auto pickup to Mizo audience, sir?
Okay, that's a very important question. As I already visited their plant, I know everything regarding their setting up. From your question, I can give quality assurance to the people of Mizo.
All right. Well, very thank you, sir. Thank you so much.